Hello, I'm Omalade Okoyemi, and this is my pitch for the Africa Act 2020. I'll be pitching from the aspect of the human security. When we talk about human safety, what comes to people's mind? What comes to people's minds is theft, accident, robbery, physical assault, rape, and natural and man-made disaster. But very few people will think from the cyberspace. By the cyberspace, what do I mean? I mean data security. Data security can do as much damage to human safety as much as possible. What do I mean by data security? Data security is both the practice and the technology of protecting valuable and sensitive company and customer data such as personal and financial information. What is the importance of data security? The importance of data security is enormous because it prevents financial loss, prevents reputation, personal reputation, and organizational reputation, ensures integrity, and so on. Now, what is the solution I'm providing? For the solution I'm providing, I'm developing a system. The system is basically an hybridized lossless data security system that will be fast and effective at disguising the presence of a secret data by means of a camouflage. How does the system work? The system comprises of three other systems because it's an hybrid. The system is an hybrid of three other systems, which is a lossless compression, a cryptography system, and image steganography system. Now, authentication system would have been added, but the Auth0 authentication API does not support the parameters on which this system is being developed. Now, the system takes the file, compresses it, encrypts it, and hides it inside an image. Now, the image serves as a camouflage in which when an intruder, an hacker, or an online fisher comes across this data, all the person will see is ordinary an image because the file has been compressed. Even the size of the image will not any flag. Now, moving to the next stage, this is the activity diagram of the encoding. This is the activity diagram for the decoding phase. Now, how do I hide a file inside an image and compress it? First, I launch the software. Then I choose the file. I choose the image that I want to use as my cover image. Then I choose the file I want to use. Now I'll be using this image as my cover, this zip image as my cover image. Then I choose the file I choose the file that I want to hide inside this image. Now this file is supposed to be a secret data, something I want to hide from the eyes of people. Now I'm selecting this mp4 file. It's a video. Now this system can hide all kinds of file, mp4, mp3, and all kinds of documents. If I want to hide the text, I will usually choose the text box, but now I'm hiding a file, so I'll select the file box. Then I'll choose where I want the image to show, where I want the image to output. Now after choosing where I want the image to output, then I choose the name. I'll set it as hack 1. The image will be output at hack 1. Then it shows the location. Click the encrypt and then click save. Then brings out where I input my secret password also. Then click OK. Wait for the process to be completed, which it shows successful. It will show me successful when the process is completed. Now, when the process is completed, the image can be sent across the internet. An online fisher will not recognize the image because all what the fisher will be seeing is an ordinary image, and this image can also be saved on my system when an hacker, an intruder, or someone I don't want to have access to this information come have access to my system. All the person will just be seeing is an image. The person will have no idea that the process is completed, now successful. I click OK. Now this is the Aquan image. In this image, the video is hidden behind this image. Now I will delete this video and see if I can retrieve it from this Aquan image. Then I launch the software again. I go to my decoding page. First, I select the image that has the secret file that I want to retrieve, which is this Aquan. Then I select the image. Then I also select select decrypt and click save to begin the process. Input the password, the secret password in which I saved it with. Then click OK and see if I can retrieve, and successfully the video is being retrieved. The system will show successful when the process is completed. Successfully I retrieved the video. Now, what are the market opportunities for this software? The market opportunity for this software is enormous in the sense that individuals can use it to protect personal data on their personal PC. Organization can use it to secure their database. Everyone can use that surfs the internet can use this to avoid online phishing attack. Even military men can use this software as a means of secure communication in communicating highly secretive, top secret information from one place to another. What are my future plans for this software? My future plans for this software is to make it a secure chat plus application where people can disguise their chats behind a picture and no one will notice that something, anything is going on. Currently, this software is a desktop app, but I've also developed the Android application. This is the Android version of this software, but my system configuration is very low in converting in building the source code